Thutha wa gũtungata makereka-inĩ merĩ ma ngucanio cia HSBC IRB Series, timu ya bũrũri ya Shujaa nĩ cokereirie gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ mĩaraho ya ũmũthĩ. Shujaa maratungatire makereka-inĩ ma Hamilton Sevens bũrũri-inĩ wa New Zealand na kũrĩa mamathire pointi mũgwanja.
We had several players of whom we had 5 rookies, considering the other guys had just made their debut in Dubai and South Africa. So basically 90% of the team had not traveled to New Zealand and Australia. We did well in New Zealand and diverted all the effort to make sure that we were able to get maximum points.
Ikereka-inĩ rĩa kerĩ rĩa Sydney, Shujaa maramathire oro point ĩmwe tu.
Going to Sydney, the energy levels were a bit low, considering we had a pool that we really wanted to get to quarterfinals and getting maximum points. But then again, with the boys not being able to play at that level and having a long trip to New Zealand, the energy levels were down and our guys couldn't play as expected.
Kumana na maumĩrĩra maya, Shujaa marĩ na points 12, marũgamĩrĩire namba 13 thĩinĩ wa mũrũgamo ũyũ.
We managed to amass a few points and maybe beat a few big world teams. Then Sydney was like a slump. Well, I think we can use it as a learning experience for the guys. It was tough being out for the 2 weeks in the different countries.
Shujaa mekũhurũka kwa kahinda ga kiumia kĩmwe na gũcokereria nĩguo kwĩharĩria gũtungata makereka-inĩ ma Las Vegas ũndũ ũmwe na Vancouver mweri-inĩ wa ĩtatũ. Handũ-inĩ ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Ng'ang'a wa Nyokabi.